Standard 7 Economics Unit 1 Production. It is a very interesting lesson because this year only you are studying economics. So economics it is on the first lesson production. What is production? Production it is manufacture. Production it is manufacture. There are the two main activities. In economy. One is production, another one is consumption. One is production and another one is consumption. It's a production. The efficient production by interaction between producers and consumers. Meanings of production. It is a process combining various materials input and the immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. It's the meaning of production. It is a meaning of production. Next, the creation of those goods and services. What's the meaning of the goods and services? Goods, it's a product. Another one, services, that is a service to the people which have what, children? Exchange value. It's a meaning. Another one, it is a goods and services. It is another one, goods and services which have the exchange the value. It means creation of utilities. What's the meaning of utilities? Usefulness. What is of utility? Usefulness. It's a main important one, children. What is a utility? To want satisfying. It's a very important, children. To want satisfying power of your product. It is the satisfying power of your product. It is utility. So next, types of utility. The three types of utility: form utility, place utility, another one, time utility. The first is form utility. What is the form utility? If a commodity is changed, it is the utility may increase. Good example, cotton, children. The cotton is converted to cloth. So another one, place utility. A commodity is transported. The commodity is transported from one place to another. It is utility may increase. Good example, rice transported. What, children? Place one place to another place. Now the example, Tamil Nadu to Kerala. And another one is the time utility. What's the time utility? A commodity is stored. It's a very important. Stored for what, children? In future usage. Yes, sir. Future usage. A good example, agricultural commodity. It's agricultural commodity, rice, wheat. In future, for any natural calamities, that times we are using for what, children? It is a time utility. Okay, what are these? The types of utility: form utility, place utility, and another one, time utility. Next, the types of production. What's the next topic? Types of production. There are the three types of production: primary production, secondary production, tertiary or service production. First we discuss the topic primary production. It is carried out by extractive industries like agriculture, forestry, fishing and mining. Children, these forestries is based on the interactive industries. The such activities of the example, the gift of nature from the earth's surface. This is what, children? The gift of the nature from the earth's surface. That is the primary. Primary is the first, that one. meaning. And next, secondary production. What's the secondary production? It's a major one. What children? It's the raw materials. What children? Raw materials. The manufacturing industries is the manufacturing industries turning out semi-finished. So turning out semi-finished and finished goods. Finished goods from raw materials. So secondary production, it is a major one. Manufacturing is a manufacturing. It's a major important one. What children? Raw material. Okay. For example, manufacturing of car, chemical, engineering and buildings. And next one, tertiary production. To produce all those services which enable to finished goods to be put in the hands of consumers. The hands of consumer. For example, traders, bankers, transport and communication, and any law, insurance, and another one government services, health and education. All this including the tertiary production. And next move to factors of production. What's the factor of production? The human utility can be broken into two components. One is the production and another one consumption. What's the production? The process of transformation take places. The process of transformation take places. The inputs are converted into output. It's a good example. Watch the land, labor, and another one capital. Land, labor, and another one capital. And another one, that's the two factors. One factor is primary factors and another one derived factors. Children, the primary factors are land and labor. Primary factors are what? Land and labor. But derived factors are what, children? Capital and organization. Capital and organization. These are naturally given and without them no goods can be produced. No goods can be produced. That when they combine the primary factors, production rises a total production. Rises what, children? Total production. Primary factors are land and labor, and derived factors capital and organization. It's a main. Without them no goods. But here the factors of production rise the total production. Now let us recall the main point. What's the name of the lesson? Production. What's the production? It is the manufacturing. There is two types of producers and another one it is consumers. Another one, what's the meaning of the production? Utility. What is the utility? That's the usefulness of the people. And another one, types of types of utility, and another one, types of utility. There are the three types of utility: form utility, place utility, time utility, and another one, types of production: primary production, secondary production, tertiary or the service production, and another one, factors of production. It's a major important one: land, labor, and another one it is the capital. You know the capital, children. Capital, that means what? Money. Okay, how money? Investment in the factory. So another one, the two factors, primary factors, another one derived factors. Thank you.